GPS has made our lives easier. From tracking routes, food deliveries, rides to location-based AR games, it has made everything very easy. Although in hindsight, there are some minus points too. Like if you are concerned about your privacy and apps tracking you without your consent, or just want to fake your location to play games, browse the internet, etc. from another country, this is where a very useful tool known as Dr.Fone's virtual location comes into play, as it allows you to change your GPS location by faking it to any selected location that you manually choose. Using this tool, you will be able to assign any random location for your devices. Sounds cool, right? So let's see how it works. Now, before getting into the video, I'm pretty sure you must be wondering why you should change your GPS location. Well, there are several cases where faking your location could be useful, and according to me, the most important one out of them would be your privacy. In this digital era, user data is very precious, and companies like Facebook and Google always lurks for your data to show personalized and location-based ads. To avoid this, you can use this tool. Another instance could be for accessing geo-restricted games, like there are several games such as Pokemon Go that require users to travel places to progress through the game, which could be quite hectic. But with Dr.Fone virtual location, you can solve this too. Now let's see how easy it is to fake your location on any iOS device using Dr.Fone virtual location. As obvious, first you have to download and install this tool on your Mac or Windows PC, as it is supported by both the platforms, and I'll be leaving a download link in the description down below. Once the setup is done, click on this icon that says virtual location and connect your iOS device to the computer. In my case, I am connecting my iPad. In the next window, you can find your current location on the map. If you find your location is not exact, click on the center on icon in the Windows lower right. To activate the teleport mode, click on the third icon in the top right corner and type the destination you want. Once you start typing, the available locations are suggested, then click go. Finally, a pop-up card will show on the map in the destination. Click on the move here button to teleport. It barely took me a minute to mock the location of my iPad. The accuracy of the GPS spoofing is one of the most attractive features I found on the software. Using the tool, you will be able to accurately fake your iOS device location without worrying about the services finding it. You can select almost any location you want and instantly make your device output the location you have chosen. Also, sometimes it is not just standing at a place that you want it to do. If you want to stimulate movements, this tool can do that as well. You can choose your starting and finishing positions as well as the mode of travel. The software will stimulate the GPS movement on your iPhone as legitimate as possible. You can also choose how many times your GPS should fake traveling between the 2 points, a very unique feature that I can't find in many similar locations changer applications. The tool will not only let you simply fake a movement, but will also allow you to stimulate different speed of travels. You could choose 3 different speeds available on the tool. This makes it possible for you to accurately fake the GPS locations just like you are traveling in real life. As for the compatibility, Dr.Fone virtual location will work on almost any application or service that utilizes the GPS location. It will work with all location-based AR games and applications such as Pokemon Go without any troubles. The advanced AI will make sure that the application cannot find the fake GPS and work flawlessly, just like you are performing the actions in real life. Now, Dr.Fone virtual location is available on a subscription-based model and has 3 types of subscriptions: monthly, quarterly, and annually. The monthly plan costs you $9.95 a month, the quarterly plan will cost you $6.66 per month, and the annual plan costs you $4.99 per month. All three plans allow you to use Dr.Fone virtual location for up to 5 devices and 1 PC. When it comes to availability, Dr.Fone virtual location is available for both Windows and Mac. However, there cannot be cross functionality between the two platforms. A license activated on Windows cannot be used on a Mac and vice versa. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and hope you have found this video useful. If you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.